I'm looking good. Oh, hey, Elsa. Hey, girl. Let me grab my AirPods. I can't go anywhere without them. They're a vital part of my beauty routine. I love this shade. Huh? Elsa? What are you doing? Wait, does that actually work? I'll give it a try. I always wanted to try blue lipstick. Huh? Nothing's happening. This day is dragging on. Oh, hi! I'm here to work out! Great, but remember the gym rules. No eating or drinking. I'll need to check your bag, I'm afraid. No problem. I'm sure everything will be in order. This shouldn't take long. Uh-oh. What's this? Candy? Really? It's just a small amount. Can't we talk about this? Get out of here! This seems a little over the top. Ugh. Hang on. I wonder. That drawer is giving me an idea. I think this might work. I'll be back. Yeah, that's what they all say. First I need my sneaker. And I'll also need a knife. I'll cut a small hole out of the sneaker. Then I need a matchbox. I'll empty it out and slide it into the hole. It's the perfect fit. I'll fill the box with candy. No one will ever know. Get out of here! Just check my bag. Wow, the nerve of some people. If I find more candy, I'll be so mad. There's nothing here. This is embarrassing. Here's your locker key. Have a great workout. Thanks. I'll start off with some stretches. That feels good. Oh, someone's coming. I think the coast is clear. It's candy time. All this exercise is working up an appetite. I deserve this. That's so yummy. Now where was I? Aw, Brian sent me the sweetest message. Oh no! It's test day! Give me your phone. And that one. Are you for real? Ugh. I'm not giving up my phone. Ugh. Take it. My phone's too important. What's that noise? Hey kid, I need your juice box. I'm sorry. But that was mine! Desperate times call for desperate measures. I really hope this works. I'll empty out the juice. And then I'll cut a hole in the carton. I've put double-sided tape on my phone case. I'll use this to stick my phone inside the carton. Then I need a drinking straw. I'll place it into the carton. And it's ready. Sorry I'm late. Take a seat, Elsa. Gee, I'm real thirsty. I'm glad I've got this juice box. No one suspects a thing. I can use my phone to get the answers. But I can't let anyone see. I should get an A for being sneaky. This is going well. And I'm all done. Phew, that was thirsty work. I guess I'll be passing this test. I'm a genius. What a night. This party is going off. Whoa, stop right there. Do we have to do this? Hey, rules are rules. We can't have any contraband at the party. Huh. What's this? I knew it! What's the big idea? No eating or drinking! Oh, I never saw that thing. Gotta go! Oh, are you okay? Let me help you. It's fine, I don't… Oh. Hi, you're pretty. You've given me an idea. I'll maybe see you around. I hope so. Hold it right there. Ugh, so many pimples. I need to check your bag. Go right ahead. I don't suppose you could recommend a cleanser? Nope, my skin is flawless. There's nothing here. You can go inside. It's party time! See ya! That kid's face. Wow. I did it! Now I can take these off. So tasty. Well, hello again. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. There's so much to learn! Why aren't you studying? I am. I'm studying my phone. I don't have time for this. What else do I need to know? There's too much! I don't know what to do. Elsa! Why are you so relaxed? I don't get it! Take it easy. Take it easy? The exam's tomorrow! I know. We can't fail! It's all under control. I have a foolproof plan. I'm gonna sneak into school under the cover of darkness. When I know the coast is clear, I'll spring into action. I'll have all the essential supplies, sticky tape, and a cheat sheet. And then I'll get to work. I'll tape the pen to the underside of my desk. It needs to be secure. I can't have it falling off during the exam. Then I'll slide the cheat sheet over it. When I need to know an answer, I'll just pull it out. And that A will be mine. It's the perfect crime. And then I'll make a quick exit. I mean, what can go wrong? I can do the same for you. No. No way. Fine. Do it the hard way. Boo! So long, loser. I've never been so excited for a test. No! That's my desk! Good luck. You're gonna need it. But looks like I'm getting an F. So many choices. Granny, hi! Come on, let's go. Give me a second. I'll need to take a snack. No, we're not taking this. Oh, my heart's breaking. Here comes the sob story. Take the jar, Elsa. Now let's go. We're gonna miss the start of the movie. Hi. I hope we're not late.
You're just in time. But I need to check your bag.
No problem.
Hey, what's this? No way. What are you doing? There's no food or drink allowed.
Give me that!
You're strong, old lady.
Hand it over, Sonny!
Don't hurt me!
Sorry about that.
That old lady is scary.
This happens all the time, Granny. I was looking forward to that movie. Sorry, dear, but I have an idea. Give me those shoes! What are you doing? These are perfect! What are you doing? I'll get that snack into the movie theater, or else. I'll start by removing the heel from the shoe. Then I'll stick the jar to it. I'll use glue to hold it in place. I'll wait for the glue to set. And now they're ready to wear! She did it again, Mom! Come on, what are you waiting for? Are these my shoes? We don't want to be late. Move, move, move!
Hold it!
We don't have any food. Check my bag. We just want to see the movie. It's so nice to be out. Hey! Is this really necessary? Get your hands off her! So you wanna dance, huh? Wow, Granny's good. I knew we had a connection the first time we met. It worked! Now it's time for a snack. I'll just take off my shoes. This was a great idea. I'm gonna enjoy this. It smells good. I came prepared. My mouth's watering. It's so yummy. Then I'll just put the cap back on. Wow!
I can't wait to introduce you to my mom.
Oh, the movie's starting. I better go.
I hope Elsa likes this. Here goes.
Huh? What's this? A surprise? Really? For me?
Of course. Check it out.
No! What are you doing? Look at the signs!
Okay, relax. I was just trying to do something nice. Let's try a different approach. I know she's gonna like this. I need this cookie cutter, though. I've got some delicious candy in here. This is the perfect size. But I need to make it romantic. That's where the cookie cutter comes in. I'll keep the extra pieces for myself. Now I'll carefully remove it from the cutter. It looks good, but I'm not finished. I'll push the end of a pen into it. It's a sweet, yummy lollipop. And it looks pretty cute. Hey, Elsa.
What is it now?
This is for you.
Wait, is that a lollipop?
It sure is.
I hope the teacher doesn't see it. It looks so good. Delicious. Thanks so much. But don't tell anyone.
It'll be our secret.
Tasty and practical. Wow! It's so useful. So, are you gonna call me later?
Yes! I knew it would work!
Sometimes you need to get sneaky. That's why we've come up with these tips to help you out. What was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.